coconut sweets are among those treats that everyone loves. This recipe is the best kind, fresh, soft, and very delicious. Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Mahtab. Let's go and see how to make these amazing sweets together. Please pay attention to the exact amount of ingredients. It's better to use a scale. To start, we need 80 grams of egg whites, which is approximately equivalent to 3 eggs, 80 grams of powdered sugar, 100 grams of fatty coconut powder that you can get from most pastry shops. Also, 80 grams of liquid oil equivalent to 1/2 cup, a teaspoon of rice flour, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. First, sift the powdered sugar into a deep and suitable bowl. After sifting the powdered sugar, add the fatty coconut powder along with the egg whites. First, mix a little so the powdered sugar doesn't spread in the air. Then, start beating with a mixer for 10 minutes. During these 10 minutes, every 2 minutes, as shown in the video, scrape down the sides and gather the mixture to ensure everything is well blended. After beating for 10 minutes, heat the amount of oil I mentioned at the beginning of the video until it's completely hot. Then, add it to the mixture in the bowl. Add it while it's hot and beat for another 3 to 4 minutes until completely combined. Next, add the lemon juice and rice flour and beat for another 3 minutes. After beating, you will achieve a texture like shown in the video. Set aside for 10 minutes to cool. Once the sweet mixture has cooled, put it into a piping bag. Remove the air and snip the end of the piping bag. Then pipe the sweet mixture onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, keeping them spaced apart. After you've piped all the sweets, you can optionally sprinkle with slivers or powdered pistachio to your liking, or choose not to add any. Make sure to preheat your oven 15 to 20 minutes in advance. Place the baking tray in the middle rack of the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. For these sweets, turn on the lower element and the fan setting. For the last 5 minutes, turn on the upper element. The sweets should not be left for too long to avoid drying out. As soon as the underside changes color slightly, that's enough. It has a chewy texture. Let it cool down a bit. Once it cools slightly, place them in airtight containers and store them. If left out too long, they will dry up. And just like that, you have the most delicious coconut sweets that I'm sure you'll never get tired of eating. Thanks so much for sticking with me all the way through. If you're interested in exploring detailed cookbooks, just check out the link in my bio. I'd love for you to subscribe to and like Cooking with Mahtab and keep joining me on this delicious journey.